A Sentan man was shot and killed at a bar in his community at Exchange on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as 38-year-old Troy Cooper, otherwise called Slaughter. According to the police, around 8:20 p.m., Cooper was at a bar with a group of people when they were approached by a man. Police say the man had a brief conversation with Cooper before opening gunfire at him. Cooper was said to have been shot in the head. The police were called to the scene and he was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Roy Blackwood, a resident of Exchange, is counting his blessings, noting that he regularly frequents the bar but was not at the location when the incident occurred. The St. Andrew police are probing Thursday's shooting death of a taxi operator along Mannings Hill Road in St. Andrew. He has been identified as 56-year-old Richard Nemard of Cassava Peace Road address. Reports are that about 4:40 a.m. residents heard explosions and summoned the police. On their arrival, Mr. Nemard was seen with multiple gunshot wounds in a sitting position in the driver's seat of a white and green Toyota Probox motor car. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. 2 women are nursing gunshot wounds after they were pounced upon by armed men while walking home in Castleton, St. Mary on Wednesday. Police reports indicate that the 2 women were walking on the main road in Providence in Castleton when a white Nissan AD wagon drove up to the pair. 2 men alighted from the vehicle and opened fire at the women before making their escape in the waiting vehicle. The women reportedly managed to make their way to Castleton Police Station and were taken to the Anatomy Hospital where they were treated for gunshot wounds. The Port Maria Criminal Investigative Bureau is probing the incident. A motive for the shooting has not yet been established.